So I already scalded it at 150 degrees on the stove, and that allows the feathers to pull off pretty easy. So I'm doing this by hand because I don't have one of those fancy feather pluckers, and it's kind of nice. It's a meditative experience, right? I don't know. Anyway, but you don't want to heat your water any higher than 150 because you have a much higher chance of scalding the outer layer of fat and thus making your actual meat more exposed and taste like poop. Yep. And Big Michael, Big Mama Michael. Big Mama. He's a big boy. A lot of meat on this one. I don't know if it's gonna be any good because roosters tend to taste a bit gamier, but as a result of that, they have kind of like a already seasoned taste, which is really strange because with the hens, we've had to obviously season them. So the meat's just a tad bit tougher, but some parts of it that you think would be a lot fattier are like real, I don't know, they're real good. So okay. You can take your time with this, or go as fast as you want. I wouldn't really say take your time necessarily because you want to clean the chicken out. You don't want to just be waiting around because after the chicken dies, all the guts start to slowly become toxic to the meat. Not necessarily that you're going to get sick, but the meat's just going to be ruined if you just wait around or kill the chicken and like go about your day and then come back to it. That you shouldn't do it. You should do it pretty immediately after. And I've learned that the hard way. Just waiting like 15 minutes will make your meat taste like shit. Go. So then what'll happen is that when you do this by hand, you're not going to get all of the little feathers that are stuck in there. That's just too tedious. So I hand it over to my wife, and since she's got a steady hand because she's a tattoo artist and an artist, she can sit there and pluck it with tweezers, all the little feathers that are stuck in there. She can get those out, and it'll actually look like a good looking chicken that you'd want to eat. Now the other hens are scared of me. Good. Oh, they know I'm joking. You can do this without gloves, as long as you just wash, sanitize, you know, every time you do anything. You know, you don't want cross-contamination and all that. But I'm using gloves because I have a few open cuts on my fingers from something. So I'm not gonna do that. All right, you get the idea. All right, like and subscribe, man. Come on, I need to support my family. Ha ha ha.